Today, I'll show you how to remove stuck caliper guide pins, including a really difficult example. The guide pins should readily slide out, but sometimes a lack of grease and friction with dry rubber can seize them in place. If it's not seized badly, try turning it with a ratchet. If that doesn't free it up, you'll need a vise. Peel back the base of the rubber boot until there's a gap to inject some oil. You could probably use any kind of machine oil. Position the caliper so the oil will gravity feed inside the bracket. Wait a minute and start to move the caliper pin back and forth. That should free it enough to pull it out. Just that end nut, the pin itself, put that in a vise fairly snug. And now that gives me some more leverage. I can take the caliper itself, just rotating it and tugging gently, just sort of massaging it out. Boy, she just doesn't want to come out. So you can see it's moving in there. Once it gets to that rubber collar, boy, she gets tight. So that's where the machine oil is going to help. And just working back and forth, slowly tugging. There we go. Now she's coming. Boy, I know for a fact these brakes were last done at the dealership, and boy, from everything that's seized up, it really seems like they didn't grease things. You can see it's this rubber sheath that's really giving us the trouble. Don't forget to give everything a good cleaning and greasing with silicone grease to prevent future trouble. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Working on brakes? Check out this video. Thanks for watching.